I hope that happens. Can I just have first slide solved? Yeah.
Eight seconds.
Oh my god, you're...
Solved. 25.
Oh my god.
Did you mess up the side?
I locked up so much and then I messed up the side and I had to return.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah.
8 seconds. 12 seconds.
I should have been way better.
It's solved. 14.94.
This is solved.
And at least you made cut off.
I'm not going to get a sub 12 average.
Seems unlikely, but you never know. Just get a few sixes.
Yes.
Okay, good luck.
Yep.
Eight seconds.
Oh my god, this is... I'm actually bad at clock.
What is that?
I'm actually
41.
just bad at clock. Can you try not to put in front of me? Just in case I get my soul.
Yeah.
Seems unlikely. Yeah.
Okay guys, 5x5 round 1, group 1. As always, can we get some judges and runners please?
8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Could we also have scrambling? Callum,
DNF.
Kieran, George
That's
Scully,
DNF, isn't it?
and Ivan.
I knocked the pin.
As you. Well, it's DNF now because you've gone over the time. Should have just kept going. I didn't notice it really.
I knocked a pin as I was about to start, which I think is a DNF, but I'm not sure. But then I said, is that a DNF? And I went over time anyway. So even if
It's worth checking, yeah.
I have a counting 23. Oh my god, what is that average? That average is me.
You got to sign it.
I swear I averaged 13.
Lucky.